right, so for today's mindful movement practice, I thought I'd do a little tutorial of a pose called 8 angle. I remember when I was first starting out, I really wanted to try it. So go ahead and sit on your bum and take your left foot in your left hand. Grab that right big toe with your right hand firmly and pull up on that left leg and make sure your thigh gets above that left tricep. You can go here, you can try to stretch out here. This is like in a compass. It's called compass pose. And then when you're ready for 8 angle, what you want to do is you want to bring your right foot forward and you want to hook the ankles. And when you're ready, you just move up into a strong chaturanga and at the same time elongate your legs and get a good clamp on that left tricep. And there you are, there you have it, 8 angle. You can move around, you can sit yourself down, and it's just a fun thing to try. All right, now that you've seen the 8 angle tutorial, I thought it would be fun to show you a way you could use that pose in a flow and just kind of liven up the flow and make it a little bit more fun. I have shorts under the skirt, don't worry. So go ahead and find a downward facing dog. Go ahead and really push into those heels to get a good stretch down the back of the hamstrings. Use this to kind of pedal it out a little bit. Go side to side, work space into the side body and into the hamstrings. When you're ready, go ahead and inhale. Roll forward, plank pose. Exhale, chaturanga all the way down to your belly. Go ahead and inhale. Come up into low cobra. If this is tight on your back, go ahead and spread your feet a little wider. Now as you exhale, go all the way back into kind of a wide leg child's pose. Inhale. Roll up into tabletop. Exhale. Roll back into downward facing dog. And again, just give yourself some time here to pedal it out in your downward facing dog. Work more length and space into the back of the hamstrings. Go ahead and inhale. Roll all the way up, plank pose. Exhale. Lower all the way down onto the mat. Inhale. Low cobra. Maybe see if you can roll the shoulders back and bring that chest to the gateway of the shoulders. Exhale back, active child's pose. Inhale. Roll up, tabletop. Exhale. Roll over the toes back into downward facing dog. So now this time what I want you to do is inhale those left toes all the way up. Bend the knee, open up the hip a bit, and we're going to roll forward into a chaturanga. And I want you to practice your chaturanga, I want you to bring your knee onto that tricep. Exhale, back three-legged dog. Replace the left foot. Inhale the right toes up. Bend the knee, open up the hip. Exhale, come forward into that chaturanga. Kind of ride the exhale and bring the right knee on top of that right tricep. Exhale back, chaturanga. Stay there for an inhale. Exhale back, chaturanga. Gonna do it again on the left. Inhale. The left toes up. Exhale that chaturanga. Ride the breath. Stay here for an inhale. And then exhale those left toes back. Replace the left toes. Inhale, right toes up. Exhale, ride it forward. Inhale. Exhale, send it all the way back. Replace the right toes. Now what I want you to do, we're going to inhale and just bring those left toes outside of the left palm. And exhale, send it back. Now the other side. Inhale, right toes to the right of the right hand. Exhale, send it back. Same thing, just kind of come forward. Maybe even kind of wiggle around in this space, work more space in the hips. Exhale, downward facing dog. Inhale, right hand side. Work some space in the hips, maybe move around. You can drop to your left knee if you want to. Exhale, send it all the way back. This time what I want you to do is I want you to step forward that left foot and bring the right foot in between and kind of kick through and land on your bum. Exhale, send it back, step back into downward facing dog. Again on the right side, go ahead and step the right foot by the right outside of the right palm and then kick that left foot through, sitting onto your bum. Send it back, downward facing dog. One more left hand side. Left foot behind, side left palm, kick through, step it back, downward facing dog. Right foot, right palm. Bring that left leg through. Send it back. Downward facing dog. Now this time we're going to go through and we're going to work that into 8 angle. So go ahead, left foot beside the left palm. Go ahead and kick through, but instead of landing on your bum, just place that left hand back and go ahead and reposition yourself. Hook those toes, and then when you're ready, just kind of lean forward into that 8 angle. Replace yourself, set the foot back, step back, downward facing dog. So on the right hand side, just go ahead, right foot outside the right palm, left leg through, go ahead and set the palm down, go ahead and hook the ankles, and when you're ready, just roll forward, chaturanga, arms, sit your bum back, right palm behind the right by the right palm, step back, downward facing dog. You can tell my dog kind of got the better of me there. I just got addle-brained. And we go, roll forward to the plank, exhale. Don't lower down to the belly this time. Practice that chaturanga. Inhale, roll over the toes, kind of bring that chest to the gateway of the shoulders. Exhale, downward facing dog. Go ahead and pedal it out. See if your hamstrings feel any looser. We're going to go ahead and do that one more time on the left. So I'm going to step that left foot outside my left palm. I'm going to bring my right foot through. I'm going to sit down on my bucket, wind my feet up, and when I'm ready, make sure that when I'm ready, I'm going to roll forward into that 8 angle. Sometimes it's fun to kind of lift up, see how long you can get it, lower down. Exhale back onto my bum, replace the right foot and step back into my downward facing dog. You can go ahead and shake that one out with a vinyasa too if you want to. You can sort of put vinyasas where you want to. Sometimes it's just more work, but sometimes it's really cleansing and a great way to kind of reset and figure out where you want to go. So go ahead and when you're ready, just put that right foot outside the right palm, step through with the left foot, sit on your bucket, make sure that left thigh is over your right thigh is over your right tricep. Hook the legs, I'll change toward you, and then lift up. Set the bucket back down, step back. Well, I did this, that was sort of a roundabout kind of way. Again, so sometimes I'm addled. Vinyasas can be really cleansing. So go ahead and press back, downward facing dog. Inhale, roll forward. Exhale, chaturanga. Inhale, upward facing. Exhale, downward facing dog. Go ahead and repeat that as many times as you would like, or watch it as many times as you would like. I hope it was helpful, and if you have any questions, just ask through my website, my Instagram, Facebook, YouTube, anywhere you like.